Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Just before Ganpati Puja this year, I got this temple made for my home. But in all the festive rush, I barely got the time to organize it the way I really wanted. And right before Diwali, I am finally taking out a little time to set up properly. Not for the festival only, but also for my everyday use. Before organizing anything, I always like to start fresh. So, first, I'm emptying everything and giving the mandir a deep clean using simple dish soap and a water mix. It is my go to cleaning solution, and the space feels like a clean mind. It did take a little bit of elbow grease, I must say, but the end result is absolutely fantastic. Let me also give you a quick tour of this empty temple. It has a 6 spacious shelves and two detachable shelves that I can move around anytime. It is made out of marine plywood, durable, waterproof, and termite resistant, which was a very important criteria when I live in a very humid city like Mumbai, especially for space like Mandir, where you need a lot of water to clean and wipe everything. These two detachable shelves just gives me a lot of room and flexibility during puja time. Before I move on, I just want to say that every home temple is different, every ritual is personal, and every family follows their own little tradition. So instead of copying what others do, I am organizing this mandir based on how we use things daily, what we reach for often, and what needs storage, and what is only and only for special puja, and what needs to stay in open and visible all times. So to begin with, I am organizing all these katoris that I use during special puja days. I have kept them inside an heirloom bronze katori and covered it with a small plate. Now in this box, this is actually a masala box where I have stored all the extra diyas which I usually take out only during Durga Puja or Diwali or Ganpati. I am keeping 2 small kalash and a panchmukhi diya which I often use during Aarti. Covered all the diyas using a very almost 100-year-old brass plate. All of this has been organized in this IKEA box. If you have watched my old temple organizing video, then you must remember this box, and this organization system has worked so well for me. I have organized all of the things that I use for special puja days, and I'm tucking this on top of each other and keeping it on the side. In the other IKEA boxes, I have organized books, unstitched clothes, fabrics, and on top of this basket, I am adding another box full of stitched clothes, asan, and jewelries of deities. On top of this, I am adding the Ramayan. I make my own Panch Meva using makhana, almonds, cashew, raisin, and pistachio in small quantity that lasts me a month time. I keep it in this small little jar and also make my own Havan mix using Geeli Dhoop, Havan mix that we get in the box, crushed loban, gugul, karpoor, and a little bit of clove and cardamom powder. Everything mixed together well. And with help of ghee, I will start binding this entire mixture together. I used almost 200 grams of ghee for this entire box of Havan mix. I kept this in a airtight jar. The smaller jar I'm going to keep it for my daily use, and the bigger jar I'm keeping it as a stock. Other stock items that I have is dhoop, ghee bati, matchboxes, loban, gugul, mishri, gili dhoop, and Havan cups. I've kept them in these airtight jars which I used to use in my kitchen earlier. I have kept all of them on top of a tray. In another box, I am arranging these glass hurricanes of akhand diya. I have kept extra diyas in this carton box. These are clay diyas, and these are lotus cutouts which you will see me using in just a moment. I have kept them at the back because I don't use them often, and in the front I am keeping this tray. This tray acts as a pull-out drawer, and this also makes my life super easy when I'm trying to refill my daily use puja items, which you will see in just a moment. On the other side, I am keeping extra pictures of deities. I have added a soft cloth underneath to avoid scratches. On the top shelf, I am also adding a large parat, a basket, and a steel chakla. Behind them, I have tucked away some cow dung cakes, which is used for Havan, and a ceramic plate in front, and that will hold my dish soap, and oil dispenser will contain the deep oil and Ganga Jal. This is such a helpful tool, and if you want to take away, this is one of the organizing style that you can really take it away. Extra Ganga Jal has been kept behind next to the Havan Kund. In this jute bag, I am organizing all the extra Havan item. In this basket, I am organizing all my rangoli items. I want to start making rangolis for even big or small festive occasions. So I have kept it handy this year. I am also adding a small rangoli mat here, and this side is also organized. Let's start decorating. This time I got these asans from Meesho, and I'm so surprised with the quality. It is a very nice quality velvet asan. I got this light which is rechargeable from Amazon, and it has 3 different light setting: white, warm white, and yellow. Though the lights are beautiful, but the way it is to be stuck on the ceiling, that mechanism is difficult. I find magnetic ones much more easier, the ones that I use in kitchen. And if you haven't seen my kitchen yet, I will leave a link here somewhere on the top. On the sides, I'm hanging these beautiful peacock hanging diyas, and on the roof I have added almost 20 brass bells. I'll add asans on these shelves. I am adding these peacock standing diyas. I had them for a very long time now. I am using this roti box. I was told this was brass, but unfortunately it is not, though the inside of the box is perfect. I am using the masala box compartments to organize my daily requirements for puja like dhoop, ghee bati, Havan cups, mishri, karpur, and some matchboxes. I have also added a small little brass spoon for the mishri. And I can assure you, this system has been a game changer for my daily puja. I have very little time to do puja in the morning, and this saves a lot of time in the morning, and I can do my rituals properly. In this IKEA basket, I am organizing other supplies like cleaning supplies like wipes, pitambari, and I have added a small plastic spoon, some extra towels, and a scrub. I also keep a steel scrub. It is still drying. I just washed couple of utensils. These towels come really handy in daily dusting and wiping. In another basket, I am adding my jap mala in this pouch and a chalisa that my parents gave me when I was going to hostel for studies. It is that old. And some Panch Meva and the Havan mix that we just made. I am tucking all these on the sides of the bottom shelf. In the middle, I'll keep the daily puja essentials kept in this roti box. On the other side, I am keeping a ceramic bowl or a jar where I can keep the used matchsticks or anything that I need to throw away instead of throwing on the floor. And then after puja, I can take it to the bag where I have kept all the puja waste material which can be discarded later on respectfully. This is another Havan cup that I keep right at the bottom of the shelf where I do all my Havan puja arti. For my daily puja, I have kept things really minimal. I have this dhoopdani, a small kalash. On top of that, I have a small plate, a mandir bell. This is antique bell. Again, a ghee bati and a plate to hold this ghee bati. I got this hurricane glass from Amazon, and on top of that I add another cover. This is from another diya. It's kind of a DIY and it works really well. It gives the very beautiful glow of the diya without creating any hazard. As you can see, the curtains are right on the sides of the mandir, so I have to be extra cautious. And this is how all the mandir decor looks on the daily basis. Since it was Diwali time, I wanted to deck it up a little bit, and I am using these garlands that I got from Amazon last year. I have washed them and now I am using it to decorate and adding that little bit of festive touch to my temple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments which idea did you like the best. If you have any ideas like this, do share in the comments so that me as well as our community can use your brilliant ideas to organize the temple or any other corner of the home in the best way possible. Oh yes, just wait to see. I added lotus cutouts as well. You will see in just a moment. I'll leave you with the tour and enjoy the good music. Take care. Bye bye.
मम हृदये प्रकाशो ज्योतिर्मय रूपे ॐ ज्योतिर्मयी नमः शान्तिं कुरु सर्वदा ध्यानम् अनन्त ज्योति सर्वशान्ति सर्वोपकारी हृदये दीप प्रज्वलित अनंत शांति दाता